In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Truist online banking account. Setting up an online banking account with Truist allows you to manage your finances conveniently from your home or on the go. Whether you're paying bills, transferring money, or simply keeping an eye on your balance, having this setup is going to make your life much simpler. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, what you'll want to do is open up your internet browser and type Truist Bank into your preferred search engine. Typically, Google is a great choice for this. Once you have your search results, look for the official Truist website, which is usually the first link at the top. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the Truist homepage. On the homepage, locate the section where you can start the application process for online banking. There should be a button or link that says Start Application. Go ahead and click on that to proceed to the next step. You may then see an option asking a question about previous accounts. Choose No, as this section assesses whether you already have an existing account with Truist that might need linking. Next, the system will prompt you to enter your zip code. This is to ensure that they provide you with location-specific services and options. Once you've entered your zip code, you may notice an option to enter a promo code. This is entirely optional. If you have a promo code handy, you can enter it here for special offers, but if not, feel free to skip it. After entering your zip code, click on Continue to move forward. At this point, you might see services or products being offered. If you're not interested in these at the moment, simply click on No Thanks, Skip for Now to proceed with setting up just the online banking service. At this stage, you'll need to provide your personal information. Start by entering your first and last name. Following that, select your citizenship status, enter your birthday, and input your social security number. It's important to double check the social security number and enter it again when prompted for confirmation. Next, input your phone number and your email address, as this will be how Truist contacts you with confirmations or important updates. You'll also need to specify your employment status as part of their standard regulatory checks. Almost done. Now you just need to ensure you have read and agreed to the terms and certifications provided, so be sure to check that box before clicking Continue. Finally, you'll move on to selecting your account options and confirming your choices. And there you have it. You've now successfully created your Truist online banking account. Remember that creating your account doesn't just stop here. Exploring the features and familiarizing yourself with the dashboard will ensure you maximize the benefits online banking offers. So go ahead and log in to experience seamless banking on your own terms. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Truist support for assistance. Happy banking!